Hey guys, I'm showing you this Fab totes 6-pack cloth storage foldable blanket or the storage bags. So these storage containers are for organizing your bedroom closet or clothing or comforter or organization and storage with lids and handle. So they are gray color one, and I will show you this is a vacuum packed. So you need to open this vacuum pack to have the air so that I can show you the real size. So basically they are very helpful and useful boxes to organize your stuff, like in your wardrobe or under the bed or something. So they are heavy duty. So the size is around 21.65 inch in length and 12.4 inch in height, with a 13.7 inch around in the width. And you can see the material, they are 3-layer non-woven fabric. So it's a breathable design, and with a transparent sheet you can also see clear window that what's inside. So this fabric is really breathable, eco-friendly and tough as well. So this is a moisture proof, but the air can permeate easily with these small holes. So it's a double zipper, and then the handles as well. So see, they are double zippered, and then there are handle as well. So it's pretty nice design, and you can just store the big stuff in it. So you can see the size, like how much stuff can come inside. So it's really nice to put everything and organized in this as well. And there are total 6 packs. So basically, like, it can hold up to 60 liters. So you can see like how much space it can have. And with this clear window, as I said, it's always easy to see. So see, like, I put in some stuff like the bedding stuff and the pillow and stuff, and then you can see that it really holds well, and it's pretty easy to store as well with the handles.